Hi guys, this is our slime video with my friend Pierre, and he also has his own YouTube account. We're going to be making slime challenges instead, and hope you enjoy. So first, I have my slime, normal with foam balls, a bit like puke.
This is my slime. It's very dark.
Me and my friend also made it. Can you spot the odd one out? Hope you can. Want to show them your odd one out?
Yeah, this is my odd one out. It's yellow color and also
So we tried to make making the atmosphere, but so what do you think is the first challenge?
I don't know, maybe
Stretch.
which can stretch or roll
First challenge is going to be whose slime can stretch the furthest. Not his, not Beer's.
Okay,
If you find this video, please tell your friends.
yeah, so please hit the share button, the subscribe button, and the like.
Please.
Okay,
You stretch first. No, let's see who can stretch isn't loud. Go. Okay. We're not going to tell you the
Mine is
answers
looking
here.
out.
We're going to leave it up to the comments.
yeah.
But in theory, out of us two, who do you think won? Let's try the other slime now.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do a stretch here. Go. I'm stretching slowly because I almost ripped.
Okay. Mine is still going.
Oh, please wait.
Okay, mine is done. Okay,
This is longer here.
I'm pretty sure.
Sure, because mine's still going.
Yeah.
Mine won.
Okay.
Again, we're gonna leave it up to the comments. I think mine won that round.
Okay.
So, what challenge do you think we should do next?
Roll.
Yep, let's do it. Not gonna go far, that's all I can tell you.
The first ones I'm not. It's hard to squish, so I think I can make it in shape, so it can't get out of shape.
Okay, let's do it. This one will actually see. One wins. Wait, should I do it the same? So it's fair. Because what if one feels hard? 3, another member again. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you
And
won.
mine won because
Beer and
mine is hard, and I made mine round.
Your turn. Do it fair or you're disqualified. 3,
I did it the same.
now let's try slide number 2.
Ruben, you want to play Sonic?
Okay. It's not as much slime, but again, I'll throw it first and then 3.
Okay.
Mine won that by a bit. Your turn. Oh,
Oh no.
why beer? Wait, stop. Yeah. 3.
Mine came out of my hands and that.
Well, I'll win that one. I mean blue. Wait, no, it's a tie. We have to do it one more time. Pick a slime. Pick it. I think that's
I think it's easy.
the winner takes all. Shall I do it?
Okay, now my turn to throw.
What?
Yeah.
I promise I did it fast.
Let's see. Let's see if you remember.
You need them together. See, come on.
Okay,
Different turn. I'll do it. I'll do it this time. And find it. And 1, 2, 3. Mine. Yours hit mine.
5 centimeters.
Yours hit mine. Oh my.
Anyway, we did it fair.
I was gonna say I thought I won that, so I was gonna say winner takes all, but I guess this is the end because you won 2.
Yeah.
Good job. Hope you liked the video. Bye.